Hi everyone, I'm Jenny from Crochet Society and I'm here today to talk to you about what situation kits are. Situation kits are a crafty relationship with crochet that is undefined and a little bit of fun, ranges from short-term fun to something serious, and can define the level of difficulty in a crochet kit, can also describe perfect craft situations. We've come up with this phrase as a fun way to define and set apart our luxury and inexpensive crochet kits. You may have heard of relationships called situationships. Think Lorelai and Luke from Gilmore Girls, Ross and Rachel from Friends, or Colin and Penelope from Bridgerton. Let's take a look at how we've taken our situation kit term and rated our kits for you guys. The rating of situation kits couldn't be simpler. If you're a new crocheter or want something that requires the least amount of brain power, short-term fun is suitable for you. Going up the scale, you will see here that kits gradually increase in terms of challenge, taking you all the way to something serious, but not too serious. We try and keep all kits accessible to everyone, especially when supported with our full video stitch library. Situationships are character building for the people that are involved in them, and our situation kits are no different. In your all-in-one kit, you'll have everything you need to create one of these adorable plush amigurumi characters. Stay tuned to keep an eye out for more characters that we'd love to introduce you to.